Hello, today I am going to show an incredible parkour trick. This is about matching list elements in a column against another column string in the same row. If you are doing complex data analysis, this will help you big time. So let's jump in. Alright, let's see the data. This data has got three columns: state code, and investigators who are eligible to investigate in the corresponding states. And these all the states are from India. So state name is West Bengal, state code is WB, investigator agencies are these. Some of these are international, some are national, and some are for only for that state. For example, West Bengal has got WB1 and WB2. Those agencies have the purview to investigate in this state of West Bengal. So our task is to find out only those agencies that are eligible to investigate in these states. For example, in the case of WB, we will be picking up this one in invest WB1, WB2, which are in bold, and so for Maharashtra, Punjab. How do you do that? Let's see. We right click, get range, get data from tabular range. parquery picks it up. I'll remove change type, that's not needed, and I will convert these investigator agencies, this column, into a list of column. So right now these they look like list, but they are not. They are just separated by line feed. So how do I do that? I click add column, custom column, and make use of text split. We're going to split this column, so I will click this one, I'll choose this one, this text delimiter, this, and that's it. Let's see. Okay, so we got the investigator agencies by list. Let's rename this column by investigator by list. That's it. We remove this column, we don't need it anymore. Alright, now comes the real trick. I'll deliberately do in a wrong way so that you can learn the tricks. What do you have to do? You can see, you can guess that this is a list, so we have to select only those members which match with this. So you can intuitively guess that we'll have to use select list and something like text contents. So we're going to add a column, text custom column, and we're going to use list select, and of course we're going to select this list because we'll be selecting from this one. I forgot to make a round bracket, and you can see from this hints list as list and selection as a function. So we'll use each, and then we'll use text contents. Here also you have to use a text and substring. So we'll be using text as, I'm doing it in the wrong way first, underscore. This underscore stands for each of the column, each of the list member in the investigator by list column, okay? And then do this, and then we'll be using state code. We'll be checking whether text contains, the list contains this state code, and close the bracket again, and that's it. So we have the list, but what does it contain? You can see from here it has an error. So let's see what the error is saying. You have see, the biggest hint is this: we cannot apply field access. So if you receive that kind of error, that will mean that you are not able to access a particular field. In this case, I'll remove this one now. In this case, what it means, I'll make it a little bigger. You will see this state code is not accessible, because we are dealing with, when we are dealing in this function, list function, we are dealing with each member. When we are going deep inside that, we can't access a field which is outside that. So we have, and we cannot access by, if we use this function, which is default function, sugar function is called. So let's call it, instead of each function, we use a explicit function. So give any name, R for example, and we use the function syntax, and instead of underscore we use R. So that's how we can access field which are, when we are dealing with the lists here. It's kind of outer table. So let us check it, and now we see what happens. We can see the list. So you can see in the case of West Bengal, those two local investigating agencies have been picked up. In case of Punjab, same thing. So now we can remove this list, we don't need it anymore, and we can expand this to extract values. We will extract by comma, and we see. So West Bengal, for West Bengal, these two agencies are eligible to investigate in the state of West Bengal, and so on. So now let's close and load. Close and load to. Just for the sake of explanation, I will load in the existing worksheet. I'll do it here. All right. So you see, only the ones in bold have been picked up here. Thank you for watching.